Hi, I am Mrs. Conayan Talanya Magnaye, Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conayan Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. The Bobo Camouflage Bomb Head is the vibes on my right forehead or right eye. They wants to kills me. Angriness is the person and then wants to kill me. Michelle Ang, Gementisa Senior Stalking. Now they is now they is on creation of alibis on creation of situation so that the killing portion onto them is uh, could be on na not happen. The vibes of the bobo camouflage is anger because my family that I am a child has own house. That is mostly is that bobo camouflage. Grabe. On my right eye, the of what of how they plan to kills me is such as uh 20th century already and then technology boost. He is killer. I wish they be dead. Baboy Karen Talanya is bad person. I not know the relationship of Richel Angement is a senior and then the girl gender on the market that says FUCKYOUALL on my right eye. I not say that word. That word is being say on myself as well. And then the girl gender is on my right eye looking. And then that person is slash head as well. Both of that person. Yun lang ako ibang bansa. Himik ko. Now, the right eye and then right ear is on thinking process of what country myself is what country does helping myself on my situation. And then now I could hear the kabit number 2 shouting on the right side. Kabit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri from University Kadiri, Kadiri, Philippine Kadiri. Kakaloka. Married kami ni Alex ko. They is is ruining my wedding. I am a bride of Alex Binaco since high school. Since high school, I am the girlfriend, wife, lover. Grabe. Truthfulness is what I say. Literal, specific. I wish talaga karma, pataasin, put it on high level, the karma, on the use of black magic so that they could be dead. Because my situation talaga is serious. Please help me from other country. Girlfriend na ni Alex since high school. Yeah. They is killing me. The angriness of them is myself is on a house that is own, and then there is aircon on that one, there is aircon on house. Angry mode of those person my right ear. The family that I am a child has car, Corina car, and then what else? College degree. The college degree of myself is there. Tremendous intensity number 10, angriness. Oh, I could feel on the right eye the person. And then bobo camouflage, angry day, yes. I not know the reason. Angriness is specific, it is angriness, literal. I not know why. When I read my accounting book, the example is such as I not know about its systems. I not know. The bobo camouflage is anger. There is anger about it. What is their angriness? Myself on being pampering and relaxation lifestyle. Based on my talking, 7-year black magic, I am truthfulness, pampering and relaxation lifestyle. They is putting heaviness, saying so that my life is on ruin, disaster. That is how they is uses black magic towards me. They is anger, envious on life. Grabe. What is being shown is Himiko Michelle Angiomentisa Senior when it comes to saying. What else? The currently angriness of them is myself is 29 year at Taguig City. That is how that is angriness of them because of being the word Tagigenya. Please help me from other country. And then the other is myself being Dalagang Filipina. They is getting my feeling. Bastos pervert they is. What else? When it comes to college degree, days on black magic, such as Corina is working and then myself is Tengamo just at home, such that. So they is on a situation of uses black magic, body movement about, nakakadiri talaga. Bad person they is. And then, based on my observation, they tend to show themselves, of which is killer vibes, anger, weird. They is specific. Here Taguig, they not want me to go at market because of sightseeing. Oh, that is true. Not want you. I'm not talking to the person on my right ear. They not want me to go at mall because at mall there is a lot of person, multiple count of person. And then when I cite specific person, oh, Temiko, they not want me to go at market. They just want me to put to inside of the house, Tengamo. What else this? What else? My wedding day. Day is on doble cara because of husband. Alex Sanjamentisa Jr. also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Boyfriend, husband, lover. Nakakadiri talaga sila. The person that is hurting me is nakakadiri. Alex Jr. guys, not nakakadiri. I not want bobo camouflage. Bad person. Eh, okay lang. Okay. Days as well angry because of anger because of Temiko property days. Days anger. Truthfulness is I say anger. Literal, specific. Anger is anger is a feeling. Anger is a feeling. Days that is on the right eye. Anger person. The person is oh the one more thing. The person is anger because I talk, and then myself is grabe. Uh, the person is anger because I talk. They those person on my right eye once of such as they is the higher nakakadiri very wrong. They should be dead. At the moment, truthfulness, they is killing me on, uh, what is being killing on myself. They putting illness, cancer. Truthfulness is, I say, brain cancer. And then, it is on, the girl gender will have cancer, nakabit. And then, talking on my ear. Alex, do you know the word consensya? I'm talking only to you. Healthy talaga ako. Goodness. And then myself is being killed. Naunawaan mo ba yun? Nabubuhay ako sa mundo tapos pinapatay ako nang dahil lang sa inggit, angriness nila. Naisip mo ba yun, Alex? Valedictorian ka, cum laude. Now, at this moment, they is on putting shame on the family that I am a child. Please, I need help from other country, FBI agent. Please help me. Or dynasty agent. What else it is? They is angry, they is envious on my slim body. My body at this moment is fat. When my surface is slim body, I'm not bobo. Natural it is. Katamtaman. Moderate thinking process. What else it is? They is angry when it comes onto my feeling on Catholic Church. Angry Dale is on the right eye. And then they tends to put me on not my self description when it comes onto life existence. That is my saying. That's the saying. That is of what I am saying. They is bad person. Nakakadiri. I not want bansot. I not want bansot. Nakakadiri. Matangkad lover ko 6 feet and 6 inch. The measurement is meter measurement. And then they is angry the right eye because of thinking process of myself when it comes onto business. And then angry person, they is right eye, right ear. when myself is pertains to Lazada. Angel of sin, anger. Why? Because of such this word. Sa dinami-dami ng babae, na gano'n. Ay, Miko. But that is the truth eh. I just say the truth of their angriness towards me. He is ruining. I not hurt myself. Ah, you like it? No? Ew, may red ka na legs kakin lang. Akin. No, ew. Yuck. It is not yet happening, but when it is really to, will be companion on April 17, the Bobo camouflage is thinking of how to destroy of something. That I not want them. Na I feel nandidiri ako and then I feel scared. Nakakadiri yung Bobo camouflage. The criminal is the Bobo camouflage. Oh, I feel not want you. I have no crime. Oh, I'm not guilty. What it is, the Bobo camouflage tends to ruin about something when it comes into police. When the word something is those person that is helping me to be out of this situation. Why they is killing me? And not what they. Nakakadiri. I'm not, yeah, I am goodness person. I not hurt other person. Grabe, killer thing is. I'm not scared when it comes to police. Chemical. Because the right eye knows the occupation of Riri and then wants to be destroy of something. Why? Because of being bad person is the right eye. Police description is nang tutugis ng kriminal. Kaya yun, I want to behave, maybe myself is on. No, 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 Temiko. I will talk. I feel irritate on my back. Why? The person is thinking on the right eye of how to remove police. A police is occupation, bad person is being captured. Kaya nga, bad person is on the right eye. Yung FBI agent, police as well there is. They getting my feeling. The vibes at the moment here at New Lower Bikutan is such as silence. But person be dead. Nakandidiri ako. I feel illness. Ayaw niya umubo. Yan, umubo na siya. You know my thinking process when it comes into SEX? Uh, evil. Spirit. Hindi. Wait lang! Huh? Not drama. There is person that loves all. But that is what my thinking is. SEX. On the right eye. And then, when it comes into boyfriend and girlfriend on the left eye. Wedding. After wedding. Ganun, thinking process of myself. After wedding. Oh, ganun. I'm not drama. I'm not the person that loves a while ago. She feels shocked of what I say. La. I say of my other portion on my life, personality, attitude. Attitude there is. Intelligence there is. Intelligence. Only after the wedding is the SEX. Ano? Someone is getting my feeling. Anak na. I am I am married to Alex ko. on my life, no existence of such as boyfriend and girlfriend and then doing SEX. That is my accuracy, consistency. And then, year 2021, year 2021, year 2022, year 2023, year 2024, they is on talking on myself about boyfriend and girlfriend, doing about SE, Himiko, I feel nervous. What is my self-thinking? College degree. Could be college degree. Hmm. College degree. That is my answer onto that talking. Why college degree? Because of working. The word working. Never let's go. Wait. Someone is shocked. But I am married to Alex Go. Wait lang. Year 2021, year 2022, year 2023, year 2024. They puts me on talking. They is on the right ear. I know how to loving to Alex Go. But what they insist is such this. Tingnan mo to. May flower yung babae, Valentine's Day, tapos boyfriend and girlfriend. Ganun. And then what I say to Alex ko is, Alex, di mo pa binibigyan ng bulaklak. Sabi ko, ganon. Of my rants, that is why the reason I rants. Di pa ako nakatanggap ng bulaklak. Someone is laughing. Why laughing? I not know. Someone is tends to feel my personality and attitude. Never mind. Does it change my perspective of view on love life? Ah, I am married to Alex ko, Temiko. Buffer at the moment. I not want my talking. They tends to interfere. Nakakadili. Busog si Malia. Yuck. There is person feeling clingy, not want to think I not want to talk about. What to I not want that person. The bobo ko ma-flash is nakakadiri. Seriousness. Bobo. Not even once on socialization. Kakadiri talaga. I need help from other country. Luna, Europa. Hamilton. Ayun yung that is the reason, Alex, of why myself is on that uh, vibes. Yung mga pinipigyan bulaklak eh. Yung ganon. You know that portion year 2024, previous year, or year 2023, nasaan na yung bulaklak? Sa presensya mo, something such that. Myself is awake at this moment, left eye. Why? The word is influence, evil spirit, another evil spirit. What you call that? Yeah, not want you. Tagalog at English only I know. What you call that? Temptation. Yan, the word temptation. And then, I will talk about 7-year black magic. At this moment, this is the talking. It is include. They rats, and then on my life, it does not yet exist. Equivalent of it, days on fast mode. Nauntinhi. Wala, merita. Bobo ko ma-flange. The short height, kadiri. I want to think about it. Why? Because the person is putting the blame on my cousin, and my cousin is not about that person. That is how killer is that bobo camouflage short height. That is what I am saying a while ago. I'm saying bobo camouflage. Nakakadiri talaga. But person we did. Alex, there is criminal talaga. They tends to get of what is mine. This Bobo tends to copy of what is mine, tends to get of what is mine. Catholicism. I am pure, I say, pureness is me. They is killing me. What will I about to do? They is targeting my reproductive organ. Oh God. I don't know, amor. Amor. I will say that word. I not say that word a while ago. Tahan salita. Naon the person. Hindi sa moy. Alex, ganyan ko lover ko. This person that interfered. Layas ka. How does the foot will be on such type, such not such this, such not this. na ano. Hala. May tao at the moment. Bakit? Catholic religion kami. What to do? The madre will know how to do something. VLT interfere on ear. Ana use black magic. I not know yet the word deliverance. What is that mean? I not know. How to Nasita ang nagmumura. I am 29-year-old already. Nasa word. Hindi ako yun. This all about their angriness on myself. That is their angriness. What else this angry? What else is their angriness? Slim body of myself. What else it is? This one about it. I put the year of their angriness towards me. Grabe days. Slapping on my ear is what they're doing. And then there's a black magic getting of what is mine. Yan daw, kabe. Na okay. This one, diba? I need help talaga. What is being written in there is the year of their angriness towards me. The kabit is talking at the moment right here. Bad person be dead. If I am alive naman, this is what their year angriness. Mostly Gemaline Cantor Gonzalez. His anger, if myself is alive. Intensity 1 to 10, 10. Killer vibes. My neck is on pain. Being on pain. Ito. What else? I put in here college degree, kahapon aircon, gana Filipina, Catholic Church, Slim body of myself. I feel ang tawag niya, careful. Why? Because the bubo ko mo-fledge is killer. The short height, when it comes to Corina, nakakadiri. And then slim body of myself, if my angle and face is pretty, if myself is rich person, if I am alive, this is the year of their angriness. The bubo ko, you not want you. The kabit number 2, double cara, the attitude. Attitude, not the word attitude. The person is bad person and then turning herself onto good even though that person is bad person. So that to get the person in favor on about her. Yeah. Yeah, specific is what I say. When I feel angriness, that is the moment of they tends to slap my ear. I'm not the person who is anger. What is they are doing is they tends to interfere on the use of black magic such this. Ganun. So that they could hurt me. I need help from other country. Ew, lover of ex ko. Edit is edit. Alex Jr. kasi si I'm the only lover of him. Nakakadiri sila. Darken. Mabibos. Na ante. Hala, hindi ako batugan. Kin lang, Alex ko. Akin saw ko. Namatay kang kabit. Yeah, not want you. Boyfriend ko si Alex. Yun pa mo, hindi ka gusto. My vibes. Hindi ko po. Bawal silip buhay. But that is what I could say at this moment. Bawal to me. Alright, end my camera video.